and out into your drain field. So you're not just destroying the drain field. And so that's the idea.
We want no backups.
Yeah.
Being a good boy. Hey everybody there in YouTube land. Can you believe it is 9:20 p.m. at night right now? Sun is still shining. I told everybody we got extreme light swings here in Alaska. It's pretty crazy. Just getting done with a very long Saturday. Had a couple long Saturdays in a row. After my father-in-law passed away this winter, we've been helping doing a lot of cleanup over at my mother-in-law's house. So we had a big Saturday. They got a pretty big property in the Eagle River, so we had a pretty big cleanup last Saturday there. Kicked our butts, took down a lot of winter windstorm, damaged trees and whatnot. And then just getting around this Saturday to doing some cleanup here. We did a lot of leaf blowing. Greatly appreciative to Aaron for coming over and helping my family out. When you got multiple acres of property, it definitely takes a lot of work to upkeep it for sure. We've been splitting wood, got the jet boat out, getting that ready, one of the boats, and doing a lot of leaf blowing. And we've also got a little greenhouse project that we're working on. So yeah, pretty busy, but we're sticking with it. You know, it's been a very long, drawn out spring. It's just been like agonizingly slow, waiting for weight restrictions to come off so we can get our trucking moving. And this has just been the first couple of days, and all of a sudden, bang, it warms up a little bit. Leaves are starting to pop, as you can see behind me. It's gorgeous. And it's actually one of the first evenings I can be out this late, and it's not freezing out right now. So I would say summer's on its way. It hits, and it hits hard here in Alaska, that is for sure. So hope you're all doing well. I also can't tell you how proud I am of the kids, man. They picked up so much trash. You know, the winter storms just bring in so much garbage, and every little thing gets dropped, it gets blown around. So they just filled trash bags and trash bags worth of trash on the multiple acres here. That was great. And yeah, we split and stacked a lot of wood, and we're just chewing away at it a little bit at a time. Spring cleanup.
Get there.
What is what?
What we gotta do first, Kirk, you gotta be on board with this now, though. Hike. So we can hunt all, man. Yukon.
Hey, that's nice. Oh.